What's cooking, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay and it's Pride Month, guys. So to celebrate Pride, we're going to be making some rainbow lemon ricotta crepes right after this. My name is Jay and this is BROIL LA. This episode is sponsored by milkandeggs.com. If you're in the LA area, check them out for farm fresh fruits, veggies, meats, and more. All right, so to get started on our crepes, the first thing we need to do is to make our lemon ricotta filling. So in a food processor, and if you have one, I would suggest using the smaller compartment. I'm gonna be adding 1 cup of whole milk ricotta cheese, half of a cup of confectioner's sugar, 1/3 of a cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, and I'm gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of a special organic lemon honey. If you can't find this honey, just use 2 tablespoons of regular honey and maybe add an extra half tablespoon of lemon zest. Once everything's in the food processor, we're gonna put the lid on and we're gonna pulse this 15 to 20 times until everything's combined and smooth. Once that's all combined, we're gonna fold it into 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream that I whipped on high speed until it forms stiff peaks. Once everything's combined, we're gonna put our cream into the fridge to set while we work on our crepes. So when you're making crepes, the blender is literally your best friend. So into a blender, I'm going to be adding 1 cup of milk, plus an additional 2 tablespoons, 1 cup of flour, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, and 1/4 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Once everything's in the blender, we're just gonna flip it on until everything's combined. You wanna let it go for at least a good 20 seconds. All right, so our crepe batter is now ready, and I've had the largest nonstick pan I have over low heat, slowly heating up. So what we're gonna do to get our pan ready is I'm gonna take just some butter, and I'm gonna rub it on the bottom of the pan. And then after I do that, I'm actually gonna take a paper towel and make sure it's spread everywhere in the pan. We wanna make sure that as much surface of this pan is as non-stick as possible. Now that our pan is heated up, I'm gonna give our batter just 1 quick tap on the counter to get rid of any bubbles. And we're gonna start putting these in about 1/3 of a cup at a time. Now to spread these out, you can either use the back of a spoon or you can use a special Crepe Spatula. I got this for a couple bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. What you want to do with this is to spread it out about as evenly as possible and make sure it covers as much of the surface of the pan as you can. After about 2 to 3 minutes of cooking on the first side, the crepe is going to almost look dry, like it has a matte finish. That's when you know it's time to flip. So you just want to take a spatula and carefully lift up one edge and then slowly lift it up and flip it over. We're gonna cook on the second side for about 2 more minutes and then take it out of the pan and repeat the whole process along with the butter and paper towel until we run out of batter. You should get about 5 to 6 crepes. just wanna get down with you. Listen, I can call you mine. Once more than I swear we are through. Now that our crepes are finished cooking, we're gonna finish up prepping our ricotta cream. Give it one quick swirl, and then add it to a pastry bag. Now you can use just a plastic bag with the tip cut off, it doesn't really matter here. All right, so to assemble our crepe, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of our crepes, and I'm gonna do a zigzag of our lemon ricotta cream. And then what we're gonna do is fold up our crepe, roll it into a cone shape, and from here you can put whatever toppings you want. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a scoop of rainbow sherbet, along with a little more of our lemon ricotta cream, some blueberries, and some fruity cereal. Pride Month is the perfect time to show everyone in your life how much you love them, and this might just be the icing on the cake. Happy Pride, guys. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to give it a like, and let me know if you have any suggestions for future episodes in the comments down below. You can click this button to subscribe to our channel and check out some of our other videos over here. My name is Jay and this is BROIL LA.